Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening only way and granting the minimal permissions it needs. You'll need clipboard and keyboard access. Once done, paste or type a short sample that contains the emojis you want to swap. Make sure to choose a text field where replacements should appear and keep the app visible. You're starting the live mapping now, so tap the replace icon and watch for confirmation that only way detected emoji characters and is ready to map them to your chosen substitutes. Now you create mappings. You select each detected emoji and assign the replacement, text, image, or another emoji, and explain why that choice works for tone. Once done, choose whether mappings apply globally or only within specific apps. This controls scope and prevents accidental swaps. Make sure to set sensitivity and casing rules so only way doesn't change similar characters you want to keep. You can also preserve surrounding formatting and spacing to keep messages readable, and you finish by testing replacements in real conversations and drafts. Send a few messages to confirm timing and look. Once satisfied, save the mapping profile and export a backup so you can restore settings quickly. If replacements don't appear, first check that only way has active permissions and that your selected apps aren't blocking third-party input. If problems persist, lower sensitivity or remove conflicting filters. Then retest until replacements apply reliably and maintain your intended tone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.